Hey there, struggling with your monitor displaying weird colors or not looking quite right? In this guide, we're diving into the essential steps on how to fix LG Flatron monitor color issues. A monitor with the right colors can make a huge difference in your work and entertainment experience. Whether it's for graphic design, gaming, or just enjoying your favorite movies, vibrant and accurate colors are key. Let's get your monitor back to delivering those perfect hues. Step 1. Access the on-screen display menu. First, familiarize with the on-screen display menu on your LG Flatron. Press the menu button located on the monitor itself, often found near the bottom edge. This will bring up a variety of settings you can adjust. Navigate through the OSD using the arrow buttons, usually situated next to the menu button, until you find the color setting. Step 2. Adjust brightness and contrast. Brightness and contrast are foundational settings that can significantly affect how colors appear. Ideally, your brightness should be set to a level where the whites look pure and not washed out, while blacks remain solid and true without losing details in the shadows. Increase the contrast gradually and watch for any detail loss in the brightly lit areas. This balance will ensure colors aren't overly dark or too washed. Step 3. Fine-tune the color temperature. Next, adjust the color temperature setting. LG monitors typically offer preset options like warm, medium, or cool. If you're aiming for true-to-life colors, the medium setting usually provides a balanced temperature that's neither too blue nor too yellow. For professional work, consider using 6500K, as it's often considered the neutral standard. Step 4. Calibrate RGB levels. For more refined control, you may need to calibrate the individual RGB levels. This step is crucial for achieving accurate colors. Often the default settings are good enough, but if you're noticing a color cast, such as a persistent blue or yellow tint, adjust the corresponding color slider to correct it. Remember, small increments are key to achieving the perfect balance. Step 5. Utilize calibration tools. For best results, use a calibration tool or software. Tools like the spiders or X-Rite devices plug into your computer and monitor and automatically adjust settings for you. Alternatively, software like DisplayCal can guide you through manual calibration if you prefer a hands-on approach. Calibration tools often provide the highest accuracy for professional color work. Step 6. Update monitor drivers. Finally, make sure your monitor's drivers are up to date. Visit LG's official website, navigate to the Sport or Drivers section, and look up your model number. Download and install the latest drivers to ensure your monitor settings are fully optimized. Sometimes color issues can be resolved with a simple driver update. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to fix LG Flatron monitor color issues. By following these steps, accessing the OSD, adjusting basic settings like brightness, contrast, and color temperature, fine-tuning RGB levels, using calibration tools, and ensuring your drivers are current, you can greatly enhance your monitor's color accuracy and vibrancy. Remember, the right settings not only improve visual appeal, but can also reduce eye strain. Enjoy your revitalized viewing experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone else who might need a little display TLC.